How to hide your Snapchat story from anyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your Snapchat story from anyone you want. It's super easy and only takes a few seconds. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply tap on your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in your profile section, simply tap on the gear icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on the option labeled as View My Story. And now here in this section, you simply have to tap on custom. And now here you can choose exactly who can and can't see it, your story. So here just select the person that you want to block from seeing your story. And here once you have selected that person, simply tap on block. And once you do that, Snapchat will automatically save your choice. And now your story will be stay hidden from those people. And that's it. That's how you can hide your Snapchat story from anyone you don't want to share it with. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.